Hello little chefs! Today we are going on a delicious and a colourful adventure to make our own fruit salad. So for step 1, let's get all our ingredients together first. We'll need 1 yellow pineapple, 2 apples, 1 red and 1 green, 3 yellow bananas, 4 green kiwis, 5 red strawberries and 6 blueberries. We'll also need a chopping board, 1 bowl, 6 small containers, 1 knife, 1 spoon and gloves. So I don't know about you, but I'm excited to go on this wonderful journey today. I think we're going to need our friend Khula with this activity. So let's call in Khula. Khula!
Hello friends!
Hello Khula! Please will you help us to prepare the next fruit salad activity? In step 2, we need to sort all the fruit according to these different containers. So we'll need 1 yellow pineapple, 2 apples, 1 red, 1 green, 3 yellow bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4 green kiwis, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 red strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This helps us classify our fruits, just like scientists do. Now that our fruits are sorted, let's start making our salad.
So let us continue with step 3, where we will cut our fruit and expect the fruit and the seeds. Friends, don't forget to wear your hand gloves to protect the fruit from any germs. So the first fruit we'll use is the pineapple. We've already cut the pineapple to save some time. We've cut the pineapple into 2 halves. Khula, what color is the pineapple?
Yellow.
You are right. It's yellow.
Look at all the thorns on the pineapples and no seeds inside.
So Khula, let's play a guessing game. The next fruit can either be red or green. It's juicy and crunchy. What is it?
It's an apple.
Yes, you are right. So let's cut the apples. Here we go.
Look at all the seeds inside the apple. 1 apple makes 2 halves of 1 whole apple.
So let's play the game again. I am thinking of a fruit that can be yellow, and monkeys love to eat this kind of fruit. What is it?
Bananas.
Yes, you are right. So let us peel the bananas. 1, 2, 3 yellow bananas. Struggling to peel mine. So there's the bananas.
Look at all the small black seeds inside the bananas.
The next fruit can be brown on the outside, it can be hairy, and inside it's green. They are called kiwis. So let's cut the kiwis.
Look at all the black seeds we find in a kiwi.
The next fruit have seeds on the outside and they can be red. They are called strawberries.
Each tiny dot on the surface of a strawberry is actually a seed, and a single strawberry can have around 200 seeds.
Yes, Khula, seeds are very good for your heart and your body.
Strawberries are heart-shaped. Can you make a heart with your hands? Make a heart.
The final fruit can be dark blue and they look like little balls. What are they called?
I guess it's blueberries.
Yes, you are right, Khula. They are called blueberries. So we have used 6 blueberries to make this fruit salad. But we also used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kinds of fruit to make this fruit salad work. So Khula, while you help me to cut up this fruit, let us also sing a song now about a fruit salad.
One pineapple, slice it right. 2 apples, red and green, so bright. 3 bananas, peel them down. Mix them up and spin around. Fruit salad, sweet and fun. Chop it, mix it, yum, 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 yum. Healthy bites for everyone. Fruit salad, we're almost done. 4 kiwis, green inside. 5 strawberries, crimson bright. 6 blueberries rolling in. Stir it up, let's dig in. Fruit salad, sweet and fun. Healthy bites for everyone. In a bowl they're all combined, making fruit salad oh so fine.
So in step 5, we have cut all the fruit. Thank you, Khula, that you have helped us to cut all the fruit.
That was so much fun, Miss Rihanna. We even sorted the fruit into different bowls.
Yes, we have now got all the yellow pineapples that are sliced, the red and the green apple, the yellow banana, the green kiwis, and the red strawberries and the blue berries.
What happens next, Miss Rihanna?
So in step 6, we are going to mix all the fruit together.
This helps us classify our fruits, just like scientists do. Now that our fruits are sorted, let's start making our salad.
So let's mix all the fruit together. And this is called the science process.
Look at our delicious fruit salad.
So let's quickly spell the word fruit. R-U-T. Fruit. So in step 7, we are going to use our senses with the fruit salad.
Now that everything is mixed together, let us quickly use all our 5 senses to explore this fruit salad.
The first sense is the sense of sight.
Look at all these colorful fruits.
So let's look at the colors. We had a yellow pineapple. We used green and red apples. I also see yellow bananas and green kiwis. I can see red strawberries and blue berries. So the next sense is the sense of smell. So let's take a deep breath for the sense.
Can you smell the sweet bananas and strawberries? What about the fresh kiwis?
Yes, Khula. Every fruit's got a different smell. The next sense is the sense of touch. So let's touch the fruit.
The pineapple skin is rough and spiky, but the kiwi has a fuzzy outside. How does the banana feel in your hands?
The banana feels smooth and easy to peel. So the next sense is the sense of taste. So let's taste the fruit. The strawberry tastes sweet and yummy, and the kiwi has got a tart taste.
Each fruit has its own taste.
The final sense is the sense of hearing. So let's listen. When we cut the fruit, we could also hear different kinds of sounds. For example, when we cut the apple, we can hear a crunch sound. And we could also hear a sound when we peeled the banana.
We also heard the sound as we mixed everything together.
So in step 8, let's enjoy this lovely fruit salad. Let's enjoy this fruit salad, Khula.
Yum, yum. Great job, little chefs. What was your favorite fruit today?
Thank you for making a fruit salad with me today. Don't forget to eat all your fruit and stay healthy. Friends, thank you for joining us today in the Khula classroom. We look forward to seeing you again.
Friends, remember to subscribe to the Khula Classroom channel for more videos.